Hello and welcome back. My name is Jakob from SIGA. We have now installed SIGA Mirex and have sealed the overlap airtight with SIGA Rissan. Next, I'll show you how to seal a round penetration with Rissan 60. To seal the round penetration, we need SIGA Rissan and cut several 10-centimeter pieces of it. We can easily cut these with a cutter knife to length. It is even easier with the SIGA tape dispenser. We always carry the dispenser on the left-hand side. The roll is inserted so that Rissan rolls downwards and can be torn off using the integrated blade. For even faster application, it is recommended that the liner is already detached from Rissan and pulled backwards. Now Rissan can be pulled from the dispenser without backing paper. I hold the roll with my left hand and with a jerky movement, cut off 10-centimeter long strips. The 10-centimeter pieces of Rissan are installed around the round penetration with the pieces overlapping itself. Because Rissan has a very stretchable carrier, we can shape the material to the round penetration. This step is repeated once we have fully sealed the round penetration. You must make sure that all the overlaps are pressed down firmly. We have now sealed the round penetration airtight with Rissan 60. In the next video, I'll show you how we seal this round penetration even faster using our Fentrum grommet.